Sophia here with Diamond Fire Glass, here to demonstrate how extremely simple it is to install fire glass in your fireplace. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure my gas key is turned to the off position. Now I'm going to remove the gas cap with my pipe wrench and connect my new custom diamond burner. As you can see, my diamond burner came with this handy little gas connector to simplify connection. Now, all I need to do is apply a little joint compound to the threads of my gas stub and make my connection. Ta-da! That is really just as easy as connecting a garden hose. Okay, now I'm going to make sure my diamond burner is centered in my fireplace. Light it up and take a look at my beautiful flame pattern. Now, after the burner cools down, I'm going to go ahead and add my diamond fire glass. I chose a beautiful silver reflective crystal and I ordered 6 10-pound bags to fill my fireplace. So, what do you think? It's really beautiful. Thank you for watching my diamond fire glass installation video. It was my pleasure to demonstrate how simple it really is to make your fire a diamond fire.